Okay, so here we are with the Durafly Excalibur, and I'm going to be showing you a quick flight demo with the upgraded prop, which I think is a 12x8 from memory. So this is going to shorten my flight time, but it should increase speed a little bit. And it's a beautiful morning here in Altona. As you can probably see, there's not much wind at all. It looks absolutely stunning. You can see the city in the background there. And what better day than to fly the Durafly Excalibur. So let's activate our throttle, timer on, we're in low rates, let's get her in the air. And she's up. Beautiful. Haven't flown this plane in a little while now. I've been kind of busy flying other planes. But I'm just trimming it out, just making sure. Needs a bit of right aileron, not much, a couple of clicks. And it looks like it needs a little bit of up. Still needs a couple of clicks of right aileron. Okay, we're good to go. I'm feeling it. Full throttle, straight up. And back down. Let that whistle come in. Man, this thing sounds so good. Bank it around. Hopefully you can see that okay. Let's go again. Straight up. Roll. Back down. Sounds so good. Not much wind here today. This thing is flying beautifully. Just cruising it along. Man, this plane is good. I've had this plane for a year now, and haven't had one mishap with it. Well, actually I lie, I had one mishap a couple of weeks ago. Came down a little bit heavy. Not heavy, it came down with too much speed. And the wing, one of the wings got caught on the grass and kind of ripped the wing off. But aside from that, I've not had one problem with this plane. It has been absolutely brilliant. Alright, big loop here, straight up. Big loop. Cutting throttle. It sounds so good. Sounds so good. Alright, banking it around again. And one more full throttle pass. As it peels away. Back down. So good, this plane. Such an awesome flyer. Alright, one more time. It's got speed. There's no doubt about that. Unbelievable climb. And then of course you have that whistle to top things off. What more could you ask for? Let's go right this time. I'm going to pump it up into middle rates, get a little bit more authority on my throws. Let's see, how's the roll rate now? Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, we'll do one more pass and we'll bring her in for a landing. Battery must be feeling it by now. Keeping it full throttle around the bend. I can feel the battery dying, so time to bring her in. I may need to do my little crow trick. As I come around here, I'm going to flip it into and make those wings dirty. I'm going to kick that camber in, I think it's called. See, it's coming in still with a bit of pace. And it's all good. Hopefully nothing came off then. I saw something pop up. What was that? Was that just junk on the ground? Yeah, no, that was just rubbish on the ground. That's nothing, so the plane's fine. And there's my little trick to slow it down. And that was a really nice landing and a really nice flight, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is the Durafly Excalibur with the optional props. That is pretty much it from me. Thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the plane, as well as links to my social media pages. Speak to you next time.